Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here my reaction to how you guys do today. So guys, this is new. I don't know who they are, but the group name is Checkmate, and this is a song You to their official music video, a title called You. I think this was released in late February. And I was like, someone was like, maybe you should check them out. And I said, maybe I should, because I've never heard of them. So let's see. Yeah. Ooh, come on, fluidity with the body. Love that. Yes. Love her context. Masculinity with femininity. Okay. Ooh, giving us floor performance. Who the hell is this group? I never. Hold on, one moment. Checkmate. Who are they? It's a co-ed group on the Grace Company Entertainment. Current 4 members. Oh, they K-pop. Oh. Interesting. Okay, K-pop. Continue. Ooh. Oh, I live by her bad bitch energy. She's giving me, giving me bad bitch energy. Ooh. Love those lights. Sell it, girl. Yo! Come on, give a solo. Okay, that was Checkmate. That was my move. That was very cute, very nice. I like this song. Another group to add to my K-pop list. Checkmate. I need to react to more of them. That was really good. The first video, they did such good. The entrance, when she leaned over and stretched, that was everything. I was gagging. This group had me gagged. Checkmate, I will be doing more for you guys. Thanks to one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to as soon as possible. It's always who can do you besides you. Checkmate. Bye.